Let's learn with Park Tulip. Today we are going to learn about microscope. A microscope is a piece of scientific equipment that helps us to see things that are invisible to the naked eye because they are so small. Most microscopes use light and lenses, which are curved pieces of glass or plastic, to magnify objects. This means making them appear bigger than they actually are. The microscope was invented more than 400 years ago, and it's among the most useful of all scientific instruments. It has helped scientists to understand the building blocks of the world around us, from the cells of living things down to individual molecules and atoms, which are the tiny particles that everything is made of. Now let's learn the parts of a microscope. Eyepiece. User looks through to see the magnifying specimen. Body tube is a part that joins eyepiece and objective lens. Coarse adjustment. We used to raise and lower the stage more rapidly. Fine adjustment. We used to raise and lower the stage, but more slowly, in a more controlled manner and a higher magnifications. Arm connects the eyepiece tube to the base. This is the part you should hold when transporting a microscope. Clamp controls the slide by moving. Objective lens combined with the eyepiece lens to increase magnification levels. Stage is a platform for the slides, which hold the specimen. Light source is located at the base. It captures light from an external source. Base provides stability and support for the microscope when it is upright. The base also typically holds the illuminator or light source. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time.